Hello friends, welcome in Creative Designs. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Canva to create your design creative, more effective and more eye-catching designs you can create in Canva. So in this video, we will basically create a book cover. So you have to watch the video from start to end to learn better. So in search bar, you have to write books, so you can see that there are the book cover, book clubs and books. So we want to create a book cover. So you will see that there are the number of the templates available. So you can see that the recipes book covers available as well as the number of books Julia and Sweet of talking take talking misfits, as well as there are the number of the book cover available that you want to create, and we have to do and create a blank book cover. So this is just a blank cover. So what we'll do, we'll first of all change its color to yellow, so any of the editing we will do will look well. And so we want to create the back to school. So what we'll do, we'll click on photos, we'll search if there are any of the photos available. So we'll find their back to school, so you can see that it is always there available. So you can see that this is in pro, and students are back to school, and but all of the photos are available. There are only pros. So what we'll do there, we'll go on Google and check of the photos if there are any of the free photos available. So what we'll do, we will search in back to school and we will click on the images, so you can see that there are a number of images and this is looking well for book cover. So we'll save these images on our desktop, and we'll save this and back to our designs, and we'll click on uploads and click on upload files and click on desktop. So click on these photos and click open. So you can see that our photo is just uploaded there, and we will click double and we'll add it there. So we want to crop this, and so you can see that we have successfully created a back to school cover photo. So we are selecting it to the mid, and the space that we had left, we will add some of the elements there. So we want to add some of the elements, so we'll click on elements, and what we'll do, we'll select from the number of the elements there. And so first of all, we want to add some stars because children look like the books with their favorite king stars. So now we will change the background to black, so you can see that it is looking very attractive. So now we want to create another book cover. So what we'll do, we'll select any of the other theme there. So we will select this one. So we can select this one because this is more colorful and children like always the colorful. So we'll again back to again we will upload it on desktop, and we will see there. You can see that it is not looking well because this design. So we'll cut this, we'll simply add just of the books. So we'll click on photos and click of the photos available there we want to add. So this is our well photo, we will add this. We can simply remove our watermark. So this is also not looking well because the book color size is very short. So what we'll do there, we'll select any of the best picture from there so that we can add. So you can see that we have added this back to school as this one. And now we will add some of the free pictures available. Now this is and well we can find this, so we'll change its animation so that this design will look like our own. So in this way you can creatively create designs in Canva. So we have created two designs for back to school and we want to create any of the book cover for of this. For we want to create the love book cover. So what we'll do, we will back to our designs and click on photos and select from there any of the love couple. So you can see that there are the pictures available, but again the name of the pictures there are so we can't add them. So this is a well thing. If we will add this, we can remove watermark. So what we want to do now, we will do a test. So we're writing a day with you. So a day with you is a good book. So we'll change its to italic, change its color to yellow, and change its size as well. So you can see that we have also created our own book cover and this search will add to this. So this is very simple to use Canva.